said I'm doing today. Check this sandwich out. Couple chips there, lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise, a little ham. Yes, check it out. Yeah, it look delicious, don't it? Yes, indeedy. Yes, check it out, y'all. That's what I'm doing today, y'all. Check out the lunch menu for the day. Yes, it look delicious. I know it do. Makes your mouth watery, don't it? Yeah, I know it do. Alright, y'all, that's what's on the menu for the day. Check it out. Appreciate y'all like my videos. Keep watching. And don't forget to watch the next one. So I'm gonna get ready to get down on this food right now. That's what I'm gonna do. You know what time it is. I'm out. Peace.